Hey, Henry. We brought our new puppy home.
Did you even notice her yet?
Are you ready to meet Trilby?
Henry, who's this?
Henry, this is Trilby. You're a sweet boy. Is that a little girl puppy? She's a sweet girl, isn't she, Henry? Hi there.
What good boy.
Trilby, that's your big brother, Henry.
What a good boy, Henry.
She's coming over to see you. Good boy.
He's so gentle.
You know she's tiny. Hi, Trilby.
He was brave.
He's like, what is, it's so small.
Hi, Henry.
She's chasing after him.
Sweet.
She likes him. That's your brother. Hi, guys.
Oh, what a good boy.
Good boy,
What a
Henry.
good boy.
Good boy.
You present to the bottom.
Hi, Trilby. Give me kisses. Give Trilby kisses. Hey, you give Trilby kisses. Are you showing off for her? Is
That's
that,
her talent, isn't
is
it?
that what she smells like?
She's so curious.
He's been so sweet to her. Hi, guys. Good boy, Henry. She looks like a little gerbil.
I can't believe how tiny she is compared to our tiny dog.
Yeah. Henry looks massive. The only time he's ever looked big.
There he goes. A little bit of play now.
She'll be big enough to play someday, Henry. You want to put some of her food down or something?
I think she's exploring to get it. Henry!
Run over this way. Oh, she does have an adorable run.
Oh, she's giving him kisses.
I love it.
Good girl. Good girl. Did you give him kisses?
Henry, say I love you.
What a good boy, Henry.
Should we bring her into the pen room with the pad?
Maybe. Come over here. Who is that? Are you guarding me from her? What is he doing?
I don't know.
Are you being protected? Are you submitting?
Henry, you're not an alpha male. That's what her booty smells like.
You're such a good boy, Henry.
Good boy.
You're Mark one.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Oh, you giving him kisses? Oh, thank you, honey. Does that mean you're hungry? Smell of puppy breath? You want him here too?
Good family.
What's Daddy doing?
Henry, you're a good boy.
She just fell down.
Henry, you're a good boy. Good girl, Trilby.
She's not honey.
You're trying to bite my shorts.
Are you hungry? Yeah, maybe you should get her food and water in her bowls.
Okay. Bye-bye for now.